These have been private meetings so far. I think it's time for the subject to go public. There's no survivor, there's no future, there's no life to be recreated in this form ever again. There's a sense of deep tragedy that goes with these things. Extinction is a different kind of death. It's bigger. We didn't really realize that until 1914 when the last passenger pigeon died at the Cincinnati Zoo. This had been the most abundant bird in the world. It had been in North America for 6 million years, so they wasn't here at all. Flocks that were a mile wide and 400 miles long used to darken the sun. This made people realize that the same thing was about to happen to the American bison. The extinctions still go on. Ricardo went extinct in 2000. Sorrow, anger, mourning. Don't mourn, organize. What if you found out that using the DNA in museum specimens and fossils maybe up to 200,000 years old could be used to bring species back? Try combinations of genes that you write, and the ones that win that you can then put into a living organism. It'll work. So what you're getting is the capability now of replacing one gene with another variation of that gene. So this is a form of synthetic hybridization of the genome of an extinct species with the genome of its closest living relative. So where do we go from here? For the Carolina parakeet, for the great auk, for the heath hen, for the ivory-billed woodpecker, for the Eskimo curlew, for the Caribbean monk seal, for the woolly mammoth. Because the fact is, humans have made a huge hole in nature in the last 10,000 years. We have the ability now, and maybe the moral obligation, to repair some of the damage. What would you do? We could consider bringing back to a world that misses them. You will get woolly mammoths back.